Hello, myself Sachin. I am a proprietor of Sri Datta Sales Corporation. You all know we are dealing in passive fire protection. What is passive fire protection? We tried to understand in earlier videos. In this video, we will try to understand how we can be assured on the quality of the product which is being used for the passive fire protection. It is very important because suppose I supply the passive fire protection system to you and I install it at your end. What is the guarantee that whether it will work or not? The quality of the product cannot be frequently checked at the site because it can be tested once it catches the fire. When there it catches the fire, it is not expected. Then what? What is the solution? Yes, you are right. There should be a third party which should be unbiased and which should conduct the trials and test the parameters or the quality of the product on behalf of us for you. Suppose I do this thing. Suppose I give the sample to that third party, reputed one. They conduct the trials and they submit their report saying that yes, this product is okay. But their findings are limited to the sample submitted to them. They are also mentioning the same thing on their test reports. Then what is the guarantee that whatever the product used for sample, the same quality of product is being supplied to you? It creates the requirement of another system. In that system, what this particular third party do, they do the surveillance audit of the manufacturing system or manufacturing process of the product and they remain guaranteed for the quality of the product. Is it really possible? Yes, there are some internationally well-known organizations, they are doing it for you. One of the example is FM. So we are very much proud to say that whatever product we are supplying for passive fire protection, these are FM approved products. What this organization does, it conducts the surveillance audit and make assured that whatever the manufacturing process is there, it is as per the standards, as per the requirement to meet the particular standards. And what they do, they mention the name of the manufacturer on their website. At any time you can cross check it by visiting their website. Suppose they find that the manufacturer is not following the things, then they remove the name of the manufacturer from their website. This makes us assured that the product being used by you of that particular manufacturer is at least a reliable product. If you want to know, if you want to understand, if you want to find the list of the manufacturers who are FM approved, definitely we will like to help you. Do comment us, do send messages to us so that we will approach you and guide you to check the name of the manufacturer for your selection.